With spring just around the corner, Martha Stewart has gardening on her mind. And it turns out when it comes to gardening, Martha Stewart wrote the book.
It's that time of year again. It's seed starting time. It's actually one of my favorite times of the year because I get to think about what do I want to grow this year and what am I going to harvest come summer and fall. And I'm going to show you step by step how I go about starting seeds for my vegetable garden. You'll need your seeds, of course, and the seeds can be bought at local gardening centers, but I find that perusing catalogs from all over the world are really the nicest way to really get your seeds. When I go to, say, Paris, I go right to the Ile de Cité and to a little, well, not so little, store called Villemaurin. And I buy every kind of vegetable seed. Make sure you read the seed packets. Seed packets are full of information. A little lamp like this will really help your tomato plants get started. A covered box like this keeps the moisture in, nice humidity, and look at all the sprouts I already have growing in that flat. I'm very excited about it. But there is a heating pad right here. That's what plants need. Little seeds to germinate, need some warmth, they need some light, they need moisture. I use a soilless mix. A good planting mix would be very, very good. Also, you can lighten it with perlite. This is vermiculite, moisture retaining, a little bit of peat moss, and mix that up nicely. I want to plant today spinach. This flat has 50 cells. Each one of these little boxes is called a cell. Don't press down too hard. And I have one here that's all filled. Just put that right here. So these are my spinach seeds, and I'm going to put these right into my little seed vibrator. That right here. One seed at a time will drop into the cell. One or two. I bet you haven't seen this too often. There, all done. Isn't that easy? And then I like to just cover very lightly the seed itself. You can put this on a windowsill, cover it with a piece of plastic wrap if you don't have a dome like that, and just wait till the seeds germinate. Here's some lettuces. This is ready to go right into the garden. Isn't that neat? So easy and so effective. If I have one luxury on my farm, it's this vegetable greenhouse, where I can grow beautiful vegetables all year long. And in the wintertime, when I come out here and I pick myself a beautiful piece of rainbow Swiss chard, it's like just a gift from the gods. And I can make myself a quick soup. I can make myself a salad. Oh, and look at this Italian kale. I love this kale. Maybe I'll pick myself a lettuce. Oh, here's a beauty. And not only do I grow these things, I grow beets, I grow parsley, I grow basil. Here I have a carambola tree. That's a rarity, and it's so much fun to come out here and pick a star fruit. Whether you're growing outdoors or indoors, in a small little plot in your backyard, or on a farm like I do here in Katona, I think you would enjoy picking your own vegetables, eating the bounty of the earth. It's a good thing.